In this video, I am in Egypt, Cairo, and going to visit Khan El-Khalili. This is the breakfast area. And that's where I usually sit here, in front of the Egyptian Museum. Al-Qahira, Egypt, Cairo. So this is the breakfast today. Not bad, not bad. It's Thursday. I'm going to another day of touring. The tourist guide showed up to my hotel room to pick me up with the chauffeur to take me to Khan El-Khalili. And now enjoy the architecture of Cairo. The skinny lanes of Khan El-Khalili are basically a medieval-style mall. This agglomeration of shops, many arranged around small courtyards, stocks everything from soap powder to semi-precious stones, not to mention tacky toy camels and alabaster pyramids. This is Khan El-Khalili. This is the area. Khan El-Khalili. It's still kinda closed. We're still early in the morning. It's not even 9 o'clock. Khan El-Khalili.
بس ممكن تشتري تيشيرت
ايه ممكن تيشيرت
بس طبعا مش زي القطن زي المحل اللي دخلناه.
اكيد ده اكيد. السوق الشعبي تبع تركيا. typical Khan El-Khalili. Okay, this is Khan El-Khalili. I bought from Jordi. Lots of stuff. It's very old and not even renovated well. The shark.
يا دولي دينها يا عمنا.
لبناني لبناني يعني بتعمل لي سعر كمصري.
لا فرق بين العربية والعجمية إلا بالطبع والعمل.
أسعار مصرية مخفضة.
احنا بقينا زيكم الجنيه ملوش لازمة. يوم ما تقول لي يلا مش لازم.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate the bell button. And if you see icons on the screen, click on them. Thank you for watching. Say hi to the camera.